What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. In today's video, well, first of all, I feel like crap. My nose is all runny and stuff and whatnot, but I feel like I've been putting this video to the back burner for a while. So oh, look at this thing, huge pimple. Sorry, back to what we were talking about. Like I said, it's a video that I've been trying to do, thinking about doing for a while. The weather hasn't really helped too much, and I gotta go to work in a little bit, but I got you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go to a park or something where I'm by myself, and then I'll give you guys a rundown of how much I spent in the car so far. I didn't think I had to spend that much when I did it myself, but I was surprised myself. Alright, boys and girls, we're here. We're by ourselves. Look at this beauty. It's a little dirty, but hopefully you guys can't see it too much. But yeah, here's I have the little notebook of how much I've put on the car as of right now. There's obviously been more, but we'll just start from here. I about cried when I made this whole list, but hey, it's part of the game, man. It's what they say. You gotta pay if you want to play, kind of thing. So I guess we will start in the front and move our way back. Hopefully I won't miss anything, but if I do, sorry. Yeah. All right. So on the emblem, I paid $145. On the sequential turn signals, I paid $150. On the front splitter, which is Stillen, I paid a whopping $600, and that's with paint. That was without paint was $300. So. On the front bumper, as you guys know, my car's a 2014, but this front bumper is a 2018 plus. With paint behind the actual bumper, the little fog light bezels, and both grills, there's about $800. The mirror sequentials, the turn signal sequentials, and the carbon fiber mirror caps, I got about $325. On the headlights, since those are not OEM, I paid a whopping $650. The visors, they were $80. The Intex, the AEM, I paid $450. The inside trim, which is carbon fiber, I paid $300. But keep in mind, it was the doors also, but I took the ones on the doors out. The suspension, which is BC coilovers, the VRs, they were $1,000. I will show you, but I can't just lift the car up or whatever here. So yeah, the Nismo wheels, $3,500 without the tires. The carbon fiber roof spoiler, it was $250. The carbon fiber trunk, it was $1,500. The carbon fiber diffuser was $450. And last but not least, The carbon fiber axle back, which was probably one of the cheapest things, was $160. Again, I don't know the brand. It might be just the Remark one. I just saw one that it said titanium, so that's what I went with. I got it on eBay. I think it's just discontinued, but yeah. Now for the grand total of how much I have on the car. I might be missing a couple stuff or whatnot here and there. Definitely the headlights, because those are not the OEMs, and I had gotten the OEM ones customized and whatnot, but I sold them. But as of now, we have invested, if you can say that, $10,360. Trust me, I never planned on that. You will look at the car, you wouldn't think about it. It's like, oh yeah, you don't have $10,000 invested in there. Yeah, that's what I thought too, till I did the math, and now we're here. But it's like they say, man, car game is an expensive game. It's what I love, what keeps me out of trouble, and you gotta pay the price to play, kind of thing. So I know this is a short video. Oh, I did forget the rotors, but yeah, you can just add that to it. That was probably like $500 more. Yeah, that's it for this video. It's a short one. I know I just thought about it for a while, and the freaking weather here hasn't helped. It's definitely cold over here, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I did come out with some merch. I'll leave you guys the link down on the bio. Make sure you go and support your boy, and stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.